Welcome to the Explainer. So, if you've been keeping an eye on the AI coding space, you know it's moving at absolute breakneck speed. But today, we're diving into a platform that isn't just joining the pack, it's literally reshaping how we're going to write software in 2026. Let's talk about Kilo, the open source platform that's leading this whole revolution. 3 million. That is how many coders have already adopted Kilo into their daily workflows. I mean, this isn't just some fleeting trend for weekend hobbyists. We are looking at a massive industry-wide shift. Developers are voting with their keyboards, moving away from those restrictive, closed systems and just flocking to this new open source paradigm. Okay, let's dive into this, because the footprint of those 3 million developers is honestly staggering. We're talking over 40 trillion tokens processed. That volume right there, that proves Kilo is battle-tested at the highest enterprise scales, cementing its dominance in the open source arena. But to really grasp why it's dominating, we kind of need to understand what it's doing differently. And the secret behind all this adoption is a fundamental shift called agentic engineering. You see, we're moving way past the days of AI that just auto-completes your next line of code. Instead, think of this as an autonomous partner that actively reasons across your entire codebase. It's planning, writing, and debugging right alongside you, a truly proactive digital teammate. To understand how Kilo pulls this off, here's our architectural blueprint for today's explainer. First, we'll welcome you to agentic coding. Then, we'll unpack Kilo's core engine, explore the power of KiloClaw, impartially weigh the pros and cons, and finally, wrap up with the final verdict. All right, Section 1, welcome to agentic coding, and a look at how it seamlessly meets you exactly where you already work. Moving on to Section 2, let's unpack Kilo's core engine. Now, what's really interesting here is what happens when we lift the hood. The sheer volume of choice is incredible. You have zero markup access to over 500 AI models. Whether you need the deep reasoning of Claude and GPT, or maybe the specific strengths of Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, Minimax, or Grok, you're not boxed into a single vendor's ecosystem anymore. You get to pick the exact right brain for the specific task you're working on. And honestly, this is the dividing line for modern developers. In closed ecosystems, you're constantly dealing with vendor lock-in, forced upgrades, and these hidden markups that just quietly drain your budget. But Kilo's open approach relies on a bring-your-own-key model. That means total model freedom, complete control over your codebase and your data, and paying exactly what you use directly to the provider. In your actual day-to-day workflow, Kilo operates in 3 distinct phases. First, architect mode lets you plan out those complex features from a bird's-eye view. Then you seamlessly shift into code mode to actually write and refactor. And when you inevitably hit a wall at 2 a.m., because let's face it, we all do, debug mode steps right in to intelligently hunt down and fix those bugs. But here's the kicker. None of those modes work without deep codebase understanding. Kilo doesn't just blindly read the single file you have open. No, it indexes your entire repository. This unlocks massive, context-aware, multi-file edits. It actually understands exactly how a tweak to your database schema today is going to break your front-end UI tomorrow, and it fixes it before you even notice. Which brings us to Section 3, the power of KiloClaw, an autonomous background AI. Allow me to introduce KiloClaw. This is really the next evolutionary step. It's a fully managed, autonomous OpenClaw agent running 24/7 in the cloud. Think of it less as a simple tool and more as a tireless team member that just keeps executing tasks on your behalf long after you've closed your laptop for the day. And this brilliantly illustrates how it fits into your day. KiloClaw drops right into the communication tools your team is already using, like Telegram, Discord, or Slack. You can casually ask it to execute shell commands, run browser tests, or handle scheduled tasks completely autonomously. Just imagine pinging an agent in Slack before you go to sleep to run a massive test suite and waking up to a fully detailed report. It's pretty wild. The community feedback really highlights the impact here. Users are calling this, quote, pure productivity magic, having KiloClaw run in the background handling routine tasks while they sleep. It truly is the ultimate developer dream, right? Actually making meaningful project progress while you're fast asleep. For a long time, developers had to make a really painful choice. You either got the powerful AI features of closed systems or the transparency of open source. But as one user noted, Kilo finally delivers the power of Cursor and Claude, but with full model freedom. You just don't have to compromise between top-tier capability and total control anymore. Section 4.
So the crucial point is weighing the pros and cons to see the actual trade-offs.
Let's be real for a second, no platform is perfectly flawless for everyone right out of the box. On the pro side, you have the open source Apache 2.0 license, incredibly powerful agentic multi-file development, and total model freedom where you bring your own key. But there are real trade-offs. Self-hosting definitely comes with advanced setup and configuration hurdles. Also, while there's zero markup, heavy usage still means you're paying token costs directly to providers. And frankly, navigating over 500 models can absolutely overwhelm absolute beginners. However, if you're working within a larger organization, Kilo is fully team and enterprise ready. It features integrated code review, dedicated team workspaces, and super transparent usage tracking. And importantly, utilizing their managed cloud and KiloClaw options completely eliminates those complex self-hosting configuration hurdles we were just talking about. Finally, Section 5, the final verdict and the community consensus. When looking at the community consensus, the sentiment is incredibly clear. Users are reporting that making the switch yields the same or even better performance, but with absolute control over their models and costs. It's not just another autocomplete clone. It is a complete, open-source agentic engineering platform that's literally giving developers their independence back. That paradigm shift has earned Kilo an outstanding 4.9 out of 5 stars from its user base. It achieved this near-perfect score by actually delivering on its promises: real openness, incredible multi-file performance, model flexibility, and putting the steering wheel firmly back in the hands of the developers. Now, if you're intrigued and you want to test this out yourself, there's a cool added bonus right now. You can earn a 1 QRA reward by exploring the project over at quasa.io/projects/kilo. It's a great immediate action step if you want to jump right into the open source agentic space today. As we wrap up this explainer, I want you to consider this. With AI taking a much more active role in software engineering every single day, the tools you choose right now are strictly going to dictate how you work in the future. So looking at the immense power of agentic engineering and total model freedom, are you ready to take back control of your code?